Let's see this Raj Yoga in South Indian style also. It's a chart of Sagittarius. The 10th lord in the 10th house, the ninth lord, that is the sun. Ninth lord is sun, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seventh lord is Mercury. Seventh lord and the ninth lord, lord of the Trikona, the trine, and the lord of the Kendra, they are conjunct. So this is very good Raj Yoga, right? So Raj Yoga forms when planets of 1, 4, 7, 10, that is the planets, that is the position of Kendra in a birth chart, and the position of trine, 5th house and the 9th house. When these lords are connected with the Kendradhipatis, that is the Kendra lords, then Raj Yoga is formed, right? Next comes a very good point, that is Viparit Raj Yoga. Viparit Raj Yoga is when formed when it's a nice Raj Yoga, Many charts I have seen with Viparit Raj Yoga. Mutual exchange or mutual exchange or the mutual exchange or the combination of trick, that is the 6th, 8th and 12th. This is called Viparit Raj Yoga. How it is formed? If 6th lord is in the 8th or in the 12th house, it's called Hans Yoga, Harsha Yoga. 6th lord in 8th or 12th is called Harsha Yoga. 8th lord is in 6th or in the 12th, it's called Sarala Yoga. And 12th lord is in the 6th or in the 8th, it is called the Vimala Yoga. Actually these are the houses of trick houses, trick sthan. But if mutual exchange happens, 6th lord is in the 6th lord and 12th lord mutually exchange their position, or 6th lord is in the 8th house, 8th lord is in the 12th house, 12th lord is in the 6th house, these yoga are formed. It is called Viparit Raj Yoga. Then comes the important point, Dhana Yoga. We all want to know when it will be the time that we'll get wealth, right? Relationship of 2nd and 11th lord, 2nd and or 2nd lord or 11th lord with the Lagan lord, the 5th lord or the 9th lord. That is the adobs of Lakshmi. So Lakshmi Sthan, 5th house, 9th house and the Lagan lord itself, most benefic planet for any chart. Lagan lord is always very much benefic. So Lagan lord, 5th lord and 9th lord, if is in conjunction with 2nd lord or the 11th lord. Suppose in this chart 2nd lord is Saturn, 11th lord is Venus. If Saturn or Venus is in conjunction with Lagan lord Jupiter, 5th lord Mars and 9th lord Sun, in this case it is not happening, but you will find horoscopes when you will find that this Dhan Yoga is seen. Suppose in this case 2nd house lord, that is the Venus, and 11th house lord, that is Moon. If Venus or Moon is in conjunct with Mercury, Saturn or Venus. Venus second and ninth house lord. So if Venus is conjunct with Mercury or Saturn, or Moon is conjunct with Venus, Saturn and Venus. That is, Venus comes 2 times here because it's a Virgo Lagan. In case of Virgo Lagan, Venus is the lord of second and the ninth house. So in this way, this yoga is formed. Second lord or the 11th lord, if he is in conjunction with Lagan lord, 5th lord or the 9th lord, then the Dhanu yoga is formed. There are so many yogas in Parashari system. I request you to go deep into the matter, but in basic course we have discussed few yogas and we have discussed Dhanu yoga also. Next, it will be our very much important point, that is the Mool Trikona houses. I think we have not covered. Which are the exalted house, which are the debilitated house, we have gone through that. But every planet has some Mool Trikona house, right? And every Lagan, you may say, in that case also there are very auspicious Yog Karaka planets are there. Suppose in case of Aries ascendant, I may rotate this chart for better. In case of Aries ascendant, you see Sun, Mars is the Lagan lord, Sun is the 5th lord, and Jupiter is the 9th lord. They are the most auspicious planets, right? Inauspicious planets are, though Mars in the Aries chart also lord of the 8th house, but still it's a Lagan lord, it is considered as always benefic. But the 6th lord is Mercury and 12th lord is Jupiter, so they are not very good result giver in this case. Also Venus is not considered good, as it's a lord of Marka house, right? We shall discuss in details about Marka and Badhaka. And in case of Taurus Lagan, if we rotate the chart in Taurus Lagan, in case of Taurus Lagan, Lagan lord is Venus, is always benefic. 5th lord is Mercury, always benefic, and 9th lord is Saturn. These are the Yogkari planets, that is the auspicious planets for this chart. In case of Gemini sign, Lagan lord is Mercury, 5th lord is Venus, and Saturn is the 9th lord. These are auspicious result giver planets. These are in the Stricken on the trine, right? In case of Cancer Lagan, Moon Lagan lord, Mars 5th lord, and Jupiter 9th lord. In case of Leo Lagan person, Sun the Lagan lord, Jupiter the 5th lord, and Mars the 9th lord. In case of Virgo, in this case it is Virgo, it is Mercury, it is Saturn, and it is Venus. In case of Libra Lagan, Lagan lord is Venus, 5th lord is Saturn, and 9th lord is Mercury. In case of Scorpio Lagan, Lagan lord is Mars, 5th lord is Jupiter, and 9th lord is Moon. In case of Sagittarius, Lagan lord is Jupiter, 5th lord is Mars, and 9th lord is Sun. In case of Capricorn, Lagan Lord is Saturn, Venus, 5th Lord, and Mercury, 9th Lord. You see, the trine lords are usually great friends. In the friendship and enmity chapter, you will find. And all in case of every Lagan, you see, trine lords are friends because they are auspicious for a single for that chart. In case of Aquarius Lagan, Lagan Lord is Saturn, 5th Lord is Mercury, and 9th Lord is Venus. In case of Pisces Lagan, Lagan Lord is Jupiter, 5th Lord is Moon, and 9th Lord is Mars. So these are the auspicious planets for specific Lagan specific charts, right? So I think you have enjoyed today's session. We have discussed many yogas, many things. I request you to listen this session times and again and make your own notes. See you in the next session. Namaskar. Om Namah Shivaya.